In today's video, I am going to teach you how to market Notion templates. Specifically, you will learn how to set up your Notion template as a digital product on Gumroad so it is ready to share and sell in a clean, professional way. Start by going to your Gumroad dashboard and opening the Products page. This is where everything you sell lives. From there, click New Product, then choose Digital Product. Notion templates are delivered digitally, so this is the correct option for files, links, and other downloadable content. Next, you will see a currency option set to US dollars. Click on the dollar symbol and confirm the currency you want to use. Using the right currency matters because it affects how your price displays to buyers and how checkout feels for your audience. Now click Next, Customize. You will land on a screen where you can start filling in the key details that make your listing clear and appealing. Type your highlight text where prompted. This is a short, attention-grabbing line that explains what your template helps someone do, so keep it focused on the outcome. Click Next. When you are ready to add what the customer will receive, click Content. In the Content area, click Insert. Then choose Upload Files. This is where you upload the deliverable for your Notion template. If you have exported supporting files, such as a CSV version of a database or a package download, upload them here. You can also add richer media. Click Embed Media, and then click Embed Link. This is useful if you have a hosted tutorial video or a walkthrough that helps customers use the template. After adding your link, click Upload to confirm it is attached properly. Next, click Receipt. This section controls what buyers see after purchase. Click into the highlighted fields and add your short receipt message. Keep it clear and supportive, like a quick thank you and a reminder of how to access the content. Finally, click Share, then click Publish and continue. Your product is now live and ready to market using your Gumroad link. That covers everything you need to know.